Hi, and welcome to our newly launched podcast called Launchpad Ladies. So, it is about the startups, it is about the energy that you bring into your passion and put it out in front of the world. And today, we are going to have a quick chat with the founder of Chloe Organic Essential. The founder of this brand is Payal Sehgal. She is a very dear friend of mine. She started this brand with an idea back in 2020. So let's talk to her and ask her what really inspired her to start this brand. Welcome, Payal. So let's start with a quick question of what inspired you to start Chloe Organic Essential?
Hello everyone. This might sound a bit odd because COVID only inspired me to come up with this brand because as everything was under lockdown, and I was wondering how am I going to get my skincare essentials. I started watching videos and I got into this very unique way of making your own products at home. I started following a lot of YouTube channels and started to learn a lot of new things regarding natural homemade skincare. I started off with scrubs and then tints and everything, and it got so interesting for me that I was like, yes, this is my purpose and I this is what I want to do. So COVID gave me this amazing opportunity to learn and make something which is which brings a lot of happiness to me. I would say that, yeah.
Payal, my next question for you would be being an entrepreneur, first of all, what are the challenges you personally faced considering the competition? And also, people are very, very aware these days. So, they want the transparency. So, that is one thing that you have to keep in mind when you are launching a product which is about your skin. Yes, let's talk about the challenges and maybe a few quick tips for upcoming entrepreneurs in the same niche.
First of all, you have to be very clear that uh, what are you giving in the market. There is a lot of competition, yes, but you have to find your niche and what is your USP. That is the very important thing right now because there are a lot of skincare products, a lot of other things which are available in the market. But what makes your product different? So you need to find your unique selling point where customers can relate and differentiate your brand with the other available brands. So for me, like for Chloe Organic Essential, I wanted to come up with this concept of fresh made on order skincare. And yes, challenges are going to be there, but then you have to keep going and keep focusing on your niche and your motive of bringing up the skincare brand in the market, and just believe in your brand and motive. That's all I want to say.
Lastly, Payal, have you explored the option of funding? And if yes, what are the steps that you need to possibly look into? And if that is something that you are exploring, could you also help our audience understand that part a bit?
Initially, when I started the brand, I was not really sure about funding because you get scared, and it's when you get into the market, which is like you don't expect big steps initially, so you are not prepared for that. So I got a lot of offers during that time because skincare industry was booming, and where people were asking me if you need funds and all. That time I was not ready to take the big step, but right now I've been exploring, and I went to Startup Bharat, the exhibition, Mahakumbh, yes, and there I got to know they have their own website. You can log in there, and as a female entrepreneur, you can explore a lot of options. You register there, you get a certificate in some days, and then they give you options there, what kind of financial aid you're looking for. And I think that's a very good option. I am also looking into this, and it's a diverse market, I would say. So first you have to be ready for that step. Till the time you aren't ready to take the big step, I don't think so you should do it. But then take steps one by one to reach a point where you know what you're aiming for.
Thank you so much, Payal, for sitting with us and having this discussion. And as you said, that yes, funding is something that you need to decide upon and then take the right action and look for the right financial aid that works for you. We wish you a lot of good luck, and we hope Chloe Organic Essential really captures the entire organic skincare market. And yes, have a wonderful, wonderful journey ahead.
Thank you so much, Shruti, for this amazing experience, and thank you for your wishes, and thank you guys for watching.
Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you.